Assalamu alaikum. Now we will explain Unit 3, Engineer 3, second term. This unit is fractions. At the first, we must know what is the meaning of fractions. Fraction means part from whole. We have a shape like this, rectangle. It's divided into two equal parts. One of them is shaded or colored. And we will say how many shaded parts or how many colored parts. We have one shaded part. So we will write 1 up. And how many total parts, colored and not colored? We have 2 parts. Total parts down, so we will write down 2. And we will say shaded parts up, total parts down. And as we studied last year, we call it half. Now, in this rectangle, we have 1 shaded parts. This shape divided into 4 equal parts, and we have 1 shaded or 1 colored part, so we will write 1 up, and we call it up in the numerator. This is this number up called the numerator, and the number down is denominator. So how many shaded parts? We have 4. So 4 is the denominator, and we call it 1 over 4, 1/4 or 1/4. Here, how many shaded parts? 2 shaded parts. 1, 2. So we will write 2 up in the numerator. And how many total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. 5 parts in the denominator. So it's 2/5. So the fraction is part from whole. It's not whole one. It's not all the 5 parts. It's 2 parts from the 5 parts. And so on. Here it's 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4 shaded parts. So we will write 4 is in the numerator. And how many total parts? 6 total parts. So we will write 6 in the denominator, and we will read it 4/6. The fraction as 1 over 2. We call it half. 1 is called the numerator and 2 in the denominator. Here, write the fraction according to the colored parts. Here we have how many colored triangles? We have only 1 colored triangles. So we will write 1 in the numerator. And how many total triangles? Equal triangles. We will not count this triangle. We will count the inside triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have total parts 4 in the denominator. And the word denominator starts with letter D, like the word down. Down, denominator, and up, numerator. Here we have how many shaded or how many total parts? It's only 1 part, so we will write 1 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. How to read this fraction? We call it 1 over 4, 1/4 or 1/4. And this sign of fraction, it's like divide. It means divide. It's like the third type of division sign. So if we say 3 over 4, it's 3/4. And now we have the fraction in digits. How to write in letters? 2 over 5. How to write? We will write 2 as number 2. عادي جدا. 2 over 5 means 2/5. We will add th. And here 1 over 4, it's 1/4. 5 over 9, it's 5/9.